Hi everyone. Today we have a new item. It's a Samsung SmartThings. I guess it's called a hub or SmartThings hub device, and we are going to dig in and figure out what is inside here. So this is an unboxing of the Samsung SmartThings. This is a version 3, by the way. So this is the SmartThings hub version 3. Just got it, brand new, sealed from Amazon. And this particular device, let's talk about the front of the box first. So that's just a picture of the device itself. So a couple of years ago, SmartThings was independently owned or founded, and then they were bought by Samsung, and I got worried at that time because I own the first generation, and I decided to move to a different hub called Vera. But anyway, digressing there. So I decided to come back, and this is one of the reasons why is even though they got bought by Samsung, this is still the best and most popular smart home device hub on the market. And being popular is very important because there's a lot of devices that obviously comes default supported, and you don't have to do custom configuration, which wastes a lot of time and sometimes doesn't work as well. So on this side of the box, we have some specs here. It says required Wi-Fi internet connection, includes internet cable, blah blah blah, made in China, and it supports Zigbee, Z-Wave, Wi-Fi. So that's about it on the top cover. Now on the device itself, so you have the hub, nice and sealed. You have the back of it, MAC address, serial number. There's a Z-Wave logo, the Zigbee logo, manufacturer part number. And at the back of the unit, we have power DC adapter, the reset button, USB, and RJ45 plug for local area network. Looks like there's some kind of small box here. I mean, not box, sorry. A small hole here in the front that usually indicates microphone, but that's strange. Is this thing going to respond? Is this Alexa support or voice control? I don't know. Very interesting. All right, let's put that aside and let's see what else is inside the box. That is hard plastic, and then underneath the hard plastic we have a welcome to your hub. Looks like this is probably a quick getting started guide. Just shows you how to get started using your hub, suggestions, and things that works with SmartThings. Okay, that's about it. All right, and then the next paper documentation we have, this is safety instruction. I never really read those things. I mean, this is not like a jigsaw or skill saw or something that you can really hurt yourself with. So RJ45 cable, nice. You can always use that. And we have a power adapter using a barrel connector. This is a DC power adapter made by MLF. It's a variable voltage input, 100 to 240 at 0.4 amp max. Now the output is 5 volt 2 amp, which means that maximum consumption for this particular adapter or this device, the SmartThings, is probably maxed out at 10 watt. But I doubt if it actually consumed 10 watts. and I actually will probably create a video to see how many watts this guy consume, because obviously most people who buy this will have it plugged continuously 24/7. So it's good to know how much we are consuming for that. All right, well, that's about it. Let me see what else. Okay, at the back of the box, I mean under the box, we have some more marketing. How great this device is and why I'm actually buying it. Look, actually, you know what? Well, I'm not sure if it says here SmartThings also work with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, but I'm not sure if that means that this little hole here in the front that I found is actually the input for the Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa, because I was going to put this in my media room where it's far away from people, but if it does work with Alexa, maybe I will try to put it closer to where people are. But it doesn't have a speaker. Makes no sense. Yeah, probably not. All right, well, not trying to get too long on this particular unboxing, but I usually do a very geeky, in-depth unboxing, unlike just a typical unboxing. So I hope you like this video. I hope this has been useful for a detailed look of what's inside this particular box here. If you like to watch these kinds of unboxing in the future, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I make this kind of video all the time, and thank you for watching.